Okay, so here we are, and I am so excited about this. We're going to show you again how to make little tiny pancakes on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. And I found this, look at this, a 7 pancake making type thing.
He's
ring.
been so excited to show
So
you.
exciting. Get it from Amazon, eBay, anything from about £2.99 upwards, depending on where you shop from.
Depend how much delivery it was, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. But look at it, it's perfect. It's just made for the Cadac Safari Chef 2. Look, you can get 7, obviously this isn't on at the moment, you can get 7 little tiny pancakes in there. So we're going to try that. We're going to pop some pancake mixture in there, and then the whole idea is that once one side's cooked, you can then pick it up and go flop.
And they all fall on the floor. Sorry.
Is that the best you could do?
I can't
And
wait
then,
to see
then
this.
you cook the other side, and then you're meant to be able to take that off, and you've got 7 pancakes you can serve up.
Right,
And
okay.
then while the pancakes are cooking, we're going to pop in a strawberry or a blueberry or a blackberry or a chocolate button. So
Right.
we'll do a selection
Have you
of
noticed how
pancakes.
he's going to cheat?
Yeah, okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to look at this product. It's the Tesco Pancake Shaker Mix. I'm sure we've all seen them round about, what do you call that?
Pancake Day?
That's the
Shrove
one.
Tuesday?
Yes, the
that sort
Shrove-
of stuff?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. So anyway, you fill it up with water. You shake it like Billy-O for 2 minutes, and then we should be able to just dollop that in, and Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and we got 7 little mini pancakes
Okay.
cooked on the
What's all
Cadac
this-
Safari Chef
So what's
2.
all this? What's this thing here?
Right, what we need to do is we need to put a little bit of butter around here to stop the pancakes from mixing, just in the mould.
Oh, in the mould, okay.
Okay,
Right, yeah.
and then I've just got a little bit of vegetable oil just to pop on here,
Right.
just to make this a little bit sort of oily and vegetable-y,
Oily
just
and
before we
vegetable-y.
pop that on there and get that hot. So I'm going to prepare first. I'm going to butter up my mould.
Oh,
And then when we come back to you, we'll switch on the Cadac, we'll get the little bit of oil on the go there, and we'll have this shaken and ready to pour.
okie dokies.
Okay, so here we are. This is really hot, and we've got some oil on there. I've got a little bit of butter just on the inside there of the silicone mould, and we've got the water in the shaky pancakey maker,
Shaky pancakey maker.
and that's ready to roll. So let's just have a look to see how we get on. Pop that on there. Let's just get that in place. Make sure that that is well and truly greased.
Wiggly wiggly.
Wiggly wiggly.
I'm gonna
And
come
then
around
we're
here,
going
actually.
to pop some of this magic in here. Just see how this goes. One in there. One in there. One in there. One in there. You can hear that sizzle going on.
You might need a bit more
Might
than
need
that.
a bit more in that one.
Yeah, and a bit more
A
in
bit
there.
more in that one.
Yeah, because they need to be over the lip, don't they?
Yeah.
And that one there.
A bit more in that one.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's all. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah,
I want to make sure that that's down there because
Oh, I see. Yeah.
that lifts off the side. One there. Another one there. So there we go. A little bit more in the middle, I think.
Yeah. Leave it there. Just leave it there for a minute to simmer itself.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Keep those down the sides there. What you can see, I'm just pushing those sides down because
Yeah,
where
otherwise
those
it'll
little
seep underneath
flaps,
it, yeah.
come up the side there, then we didn't want any leakage going on.
No leakage.
No leakage.
Are you going to put any of those things in there now?
I am, but I haven't got any spare hands at the
Oh,
moment.
do you want me to do
So
something?
if you can do a little poppage.
What?
Yeah, we ought to be cut really. I'll tell you what, I think I'm safe to let go of that now.
Okay. Run and
Right.
get a knife. Run, get your knife. Run, run, run,
Okay.
run, 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 run,
Got a
run.
knife.
Right, cool.
Let's go some strawberry.
We should have cut them up before.
We should have done a little bit of strawberry in there.
Oh,
So we're all gonna
it goes
take
wrong.
a blueberry.
Yeah.
I think I've put too much in there now.
I don't know. No, that's fine.
Yeah, what have we got here? We've got a blackberry.
Oh, they're difficult. No, I won't cut that up. That's
Let's just
right.
do something with it
Okay.
without cutting my fingers.
That's going to be awful, that one.
What have we got here? We've got a grape.
Peel me a grape.
We've got the important stuff.
Yeah, chocolate buttons.
Chocolate buttons. We'll do a couple of the 3 of the chocolate buttons one, shall we? But they're starting to...
Are you going to put some more stuff on top or not? Because
look, they haven't stuck.
that's good.
That's a good sign.
Yeah, and how are we going to put to...
I've got no idea.
Oh, okay.
It's all live. These look as if they're cooking. Yeah, I suppose we could...
Yeah, put a bit more in those and then that sort of like fills them up then, doesn't it? I'm just worried that the chocolate's going to get stuck to the bottom. Sort of. I was just, yeah, cover the chocolate, that's it.
Yeah, but that's got a
I know,
really...
I know. In fact, I've just messed it up now, haven't I?
I don't know. We'll just keep those moving.
Yeah, keep them moving.
Round and round and round.
How about the wheels on the bus?
There you go.
Yeah.
The
wheels on the bus go round.
The wheels on the Cadac go
Round
round
and
and round.
Oh, God.
Okay. So, I think we might have put that in there just a little bit too late. But what we'll do, once it starts to go a bit harder...
Can we have a look underneath at all?
Um,
Do you think, can I? Oh, yes. I saw a little bit. I don't know whether everybody else did, but...
okay. But obviously it's not stuck.
No.
The idea is...
I have no idea how you can turn it over.
Me neither. But that's going to be the fun part. I think we just need for this to set.
Okay.
Just keep it on the move. Da, 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 da.
You can't burn a pancake.
Well,
yeah, okay.
we might be able to.
Yeah,
see,
yep.
yeah, it's just...
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Let me just have a little look underneath, see if we can burn a pancake. We're not far off burning a pancake.
We've got plenty more mix. We can make some more.
No, but we shouldn't have put that in. What we should have done was put the fruit and things in.
On first.
No, not first, because the chocolate would still have melted.
Oh.
But possibly put a little bit in first, then the fruit, and then top it up, and then it would all cooked in. Right, I'm going to go for a quick flip.
Okay, shall I stand that your way?
1, 2, 3.
Really?
They've come out the mould. That shouldn't necessarily have happened.
No.
But let's just...
Okay. Push this one over a bit. Yeah, that's good.
Get rid of that. I think the idea is there, isn't it? We've got
7 little pancakes.
7 little pancakes.
Sitting in the pan. One went pop and the other went bang.
Try and...
Oh, actually smell lovely.
I can smell that chocolate and fruit. So there we go. Yeah,
yeah, that works.
it works. We've got 7 pancakes on the go in one go. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I'm just going to go and get a spatula
Yeah.
so you can chat to the pancakes while I'm gone.
Hello, pancakes. I'm chatting to you. I'll tell you what, they do actually smell very nice. We've got some maple syrup in there as well, haven't we? Yep. Right at the back. Sorry, I'm just telling him where. Maple syrup right at the back of the stand. Excellent stuff.
Some Schenkenstrup, the original.
Oh yeah, well, stuff we got from when we were in
the Netherlands.
In the Netherlands.
There we go.
I presume it's still all right, is it?
We find out, wouldn't we?
Yeah. What was the best by date on that?
Who knows?
Who knows indeed.
Give them a little look at them.
Oh look, they do look nice. Oh, that's all right.
Yeah.
No, I'm quite impressed with that. They do need a bit more cooking on the other side. Why are you not picking it up with a spatula?
Because I got it all the wrong way round. As I always do. So these ones are the ones with the chocolate in, I think.
Yeah.
And then we got grape,
Yeah.
blackberry, strawberry, and blueberry.
No, that's great. Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, could be. That's strawberry, blueberry,
Yeah.
blackberry, grape.
Isn't it amazing how the blackberry turns pink?
They all look the same to me. So there you go. That looks
Yeah, you need to
cooked.
Do you not need
Do I need to go back over
I think
again?
you do on that one.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
One more quick turn over.
Oh, I can see on some of these that I'm going to have to scrub that pan. Oh well. It's not as bad as I thought it would be though, to be fair.
There we go.
And that one or not?
Oh yeah, that one got away. So how long do you think that'll be?
I don't know.
Ready now? Yeah, but you're going to squash all your bits out, aren't you?
There you go, that's my bit.
They're cooked now, are
Yeah,
they?
that's it.
Right, okay. Let's let those on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. You've got fruit in there, you've got chocolate in there, you've got all sorts of stuff in there to make that a really sweet and sickly pancakes. Are you looking at how many calories there are in that stuff? Excellent. Look, there it is. We've done some pancakes. We've done them on this little gadget here. We've done 7 of them in one. So I suppose really that's a good portion for breakfast.
Yeah, if you like.
You could do another round of these. We've got some mix left. We could possibly get another 7 out of those, which would be absolutely brilliant. There we go. Look at those pancakes. We've got maple syrup on there. We've got chocolate in there, strawberries. We've got blackberries. We've got grapes. We've got blueberries. Absolutely lovely. Please give us a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. It's more about this one is showing you this device, how to cook 7 pancakes at the same time on the Cadac Safari Chef 2. That is anything between $2.99 and $11.99, eBay, Amazon, whatever. Got a bit of a spider on there. Look, thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. Hit that red button and subscribe. The more you subscribe, tell us more about these things. Give us your comments. Let us know what you do as well. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and bye for now.